Hi guys, welcome to Random Anything. Good morning to all of you. Now it is raining. Actually, for many days it was means the temperature was very high at Lamding. So people of Lamding had suffered from heat. So that's why I think it was everybody's prayer to have a shower. So finally it's raining. So now it's raining since I think since yesterday night. So guys, now I am going to tuition. I am going to tuition by walking on foot because it is raining, so I haven't taken my bike. So everybody is sleeping of my house, so I also not feeling like to make tea. Okay, so that's why I am thinking about to have a cup of tea from a tea stall. So you just stay with me. Okay, I will be showing you what I will show you. I will just have a cup of tea. Is this what I will show you? Whatever, this is called blog. I must show you whatever I do, okay, in the blog. Dear viewers, you can see this is my colony. This is my colony, you can see. So guys, finally I reached at a tea stall. Now I am going to order a cup of tea. Okay, you can see this is the tea stall. My tea is being made.
আপনার লাগি আরেকদিনের রুটি বানাইছি, আপনি গেছেন কি ওদিকে, পরে এই রুটিটা আমি খাইছি।
আরে আপনার দেরি আমি করলাম না ওদিকে।
আরে না, বানাইতে তো দেরি লাগবে না।
So after being suffered from heat for many days, I think people of Lamding are celebrating this rain, and not only what to say, city people, also farmers also, because for many days, as I have heard from them that they could not. I have heard from them that they could not cultivate well due to lack of rain. So guys, you can see this is a very beautiful park, you can see, but the park is totally empty now because it is raining. But in the evening time the park becomes full of people, and here you can see a very beautiful pond. Okay, the name of this pond is Loco Colony Pond. So the pond is considered to be a sacred pond. It is situated to the south of Lamding. Why the pond is considered to be a sacred pond? Because as it is situated to the south of Lamding, so because for any auspicious celebration or ceremony, you can say, people of Lamding, of South Lamding, people of South Lamding come to this pond and do rituals. Okay, so that is why this pond is considered a sacred pond of Lamding. And every year, idols of, means any god or goddesses, okay, is immersed here. So that's why. And Chhath Puja is also celebrated at this pond. So you can see the road is totally empty. Few only, a few people are there on the road. So whatever, I have reached my tuition. Now I am going to tuition. So up to this much. Thank you so much for watching. Tata.